Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you guys how to make your own cage bag. First of all, we'll start with the base. Just use any size of plates that will be convenient for you and just trace it out and then cut it. So happy new year guys. This is my first video of the year. Please hit the subscribe button before you leave. It will mean a lot to me, and please give the video a thumbs up and share to your friends. So next thing you do is to mark out the circumference of the cycle. Those circumference measurements is what you use to cut the width of the bag. So it's 24. So the width of the bag is going to be 24, the height is going to be 10. So that's what I'm doing right here. Please try as much as possible to put in the right width so that the bag will go around with the cycle perfectly. On another note, you guys can follow me on my Instagram at ESOSANDRA to see how I style the various DIY I bring to my channel, to see the different ways you can style every DIY I do here on my channel. Looking forward to seeing you guys on my Instagram. So you fold into, then use your tape to find the middle part of this fold. Then use that middle part to form a line half an inch from the middle, and then roll down. You do the same at the back or the other side. So I'll advise with this bag, you guys should take your time. Don't be in haste, don't be in a hurry. Just take your time so that it will come out as perfect as possible. So now we are going to measure 1 inch from the top, then half an inch from the top of the other side, and then we measure half an inch to form a line. So each line is going to be half an inch. Just measure it down, then start rolling it out one after the other so that each line will be the same size. So try as much as possible to get detailed measuring to get a perfect finished job. So you do the same for the other parts, the smaller parts. Right now I didn't even bother to measure it here because I know how half an inch look like. So the next step is to measure out half an inch from the edges so that when you are cutting, you won't cut to that edge. So just cut it out. So next, map out the parts you'll be cutting. Just start writing cuts on it. Make sure you jump a line when you are indicating where to cut so that you don't miss it. So to cut, you need something firm so that it will be easy for you to cut it. And then you need a cutter. This you can find anywhere. It's very much popular. So just follow the line and cut. This is where the work is. This is where when you don't take your time, it might mess up the whole bag. So take your time to cut this part out so that it gives it a clean finish. So if today is the first time if you come to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me if you do that. I have a whole lot of tutorial coming your way this year, so show me some love by subscribing and also by sharing this video, because I have so much more in store for you guys. Thank you so much for your support so far. It means a lot to me. So this eye is going to look like after you finish cutting. The next step is just for you to attach the down part to the other part. This is how it will look like afterwards. As you can see, my measurement wasn't perfect, so there's extra, but don't worry about that. You're just going to use the best strap to close it. First of all, you measure the sides, which is 10 each side. Then the strap will be 14, so all the measurements for the strap will be 34. So we are cutting out 34 for the strap. Then the width of the strap is going to be 1.5 inch or 1 inch. That depends on how wide you want the strap to be like. So now you're going to place the strap on the bag. What you do, you just use a glue. Glue is easier. I won't advise you to sew it down because it's going to be very tricky. So just use glue on both sides like the way I'm doing now. It's very easy. Just use glue to attach the strap to the bag. So a regular clothing glue, we do this. This is actually glue 600 or so. It's not even glue 6000, so it still held it firmly. So just go to a clothing store and then you can get any of those glues they have. We work with this. So this is how it's going to look like. So next we are going to sew in the inner. So I cut out the height 18 because I'm going to do it, bring it down to 15 after folding, because the bag itself is 10, so I want the material to stick out by 5 inch when to give it this ruffle beautiful silhouette. So you just turn it inside out and then sew both sides down. That's it. Next, sew the side triangle shape, fold the triangle shape and then sew it just like that to give it a good structure. So next we are cutting out the lace for the inner bag. What you use to lace it, just cut at 1/2 inch down as long as you want it, and then you fold. I'm cutting out 2 for each side. So you just insert the lace into the down part of the bag of the folding. I matched it twice so that there will be hole for the lace, and then when you draw it, it's going to give it this beautiful rosy shape at the edge. So this bag does take a lot. It can serve as a mini travel bag, Whenever you want to travel, you can just put as much clothes as you want because it's so bulky. So this is how it looks like after you've put your items in it. So please guys, like, share and subscribe before you leave. Till my next video. Thanks for watching.